Hey guys, it's Ken from Investing Made Easy here, and today we'll be doing another episode of the journey from $1,000 to $100,000. If you'd like to follow this journey with me, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos. The aim of this series is to invest in stocks over time to build up a strong portfolio. Each week we'll be investing £1,000 into the shares that we decide here. I will be continuing this series for hopefully many months in an attempt to build up a very strong and varied portfolio, with the aim to reach $100,000 worth of savings in the future, and possibly even more if it turns out successful. So, here we are in week 2. If we see what happened last week, overall we had a gain of 1.27% overall in our portfolio. Most of our portfolio increased last week, which is encouraging about the total market overall. Unfortunately, our crypto pick for last week was not hugely successful, dropping just over 8%. This is the reason why I'm only investing a very small amount into cryptocurrencies, as they are very volatile. However, this damage was soaked up by the rest of the portfolio, and we were left only trailing the S&P 500 by 0.2%. So if we have a look at this week's stocks, I've run 8 different companies through my stock picker. I had a look at some different chip manufacturers, as I believe there could be movement in that area very soon. With AMD appearing to dominate Intel through both the consumer and enterprise sector, we are likely to see a reply sooner rather than later. If we also quickly remember how our stock picker scores, any score higher than a 48 out of 100 is a stock that is worth purchasing. Anything between 10 and 48 is worth hanging on to at the moment if we already own it, but if we do not currently own it, we should not be buying from this category. Finally, we have stocks that receive less than 10 on my stock picker. These are stocks that should be sold immediately if we currently own them. So looking at the scores this week, they are fairly consistent across the board. However, we can see that there are 4 stocks here in the green. So, if we look at the stocks that the stock picker has chosen, we have Intel, a chip manufacturer, CVS, a big player in the healthcare sector, TSMC, another chip manufacturer, and MetLife, which is an insurance company. For our cryptocurrency of choice, I've decided to go with EOS. If you don't know what this cryptocurrency is, I've recently made a video on EOS explaining what it is and whether it may be a good investment. Although I concluded that it may not be worthwhile for most people, the purpose of our crypto pick each week is to go for more of a risky investment with a potentially higher payoff. Thus, I am only investing a small quantity, only about 5% of it, in terms of our total purchases this week. So if we break down our purchases this week, we'll be first of all doing 4 shares of Intel at $58.51 each, 4 shares of MetLife at $49.91, 4 shares of TSMC at $53.89, 3 shares of CVS at $75.04, and then for my index I'm going to put another $220 towards the S&P 500. And finally for the crypto pick we have 20 EOS at $2.38 each. So, you can follow my portfolio at the link in the video description. Here it will update constantly on what the current prices are and what are the gains and returns, and it will all be displayed with some nice graphics hopefully. But other than that, that's all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video and are excited as I am for the future journey of this portfolio, please like and subscribe for future videos on this topic. If you want to find out more about investing strategies, I will also link a playlist on my channel. This has been Ken from Investing Made Easy, and I'll see you